This is an introduction to the Athletics Weekly application for the iPhone. You can find this in the App Store, just search for Athletics Weekly. It opens with a list of issues. These are issues of the magazine just as they were printed. And you can see the archive goes back to, I think, June 2007. Yeah. So you can tap to open any of these. Let's go back to the top and open the current issue. See the cover to start with, and as we look at it you can see more detail arriving until the whole page is there. I can tap the side of the page to go to the next page, or go back. But a quicker way to get around is if I rotate the phone, you'll see what we call page flow. And with this I can zoom straight through the issue, see thumbnails of all the pages. There's a slider down here which tells you how far you are through the issue. You can also use that to move around. Just pick it up and drag. If you rotate the phone back to its normal orientation, you can read the page. I can double tap to zoom in, and I can also pinch zoom to go in further. And then you can just move the page around with your fingertip. Double tap again to zoom out. If you rotate the phone the other way, then you can read the page in landscape, which is good for photographs. And again you can zoom as you'd expect. If you give the page a single tap, you'll see our toolbar, and that includes a contents page button here, which takes you straight to the contents page. Some of the links on this page light up green, like that. All you need to do is tap the page and any links will appear. So if I want to read the article there, I can just tap the green link and that takes me straight to the page. If we go back to the contents page, let's have a look at something with more links. There's a review here of FitFlop footwear, so let's tap and go straight to that. You can see that there are some links down here glowing green. If I zoom in to read that paragraph, let's pinch zoom. Again, a single tap to show the links, and I can tap that and go straight to the web page. If we go back to Athletics Weekly, you'll see that it's remembered the page that we were on, so I can pick up reading where I left off. And the same links work for email addresses and telephone numbers, so you can call directly from the magazine. Let's flip through to the classifieds at the end. And there you can see that there are lots of links which glow green. Telephone, email and web. I'll go back to the issue list and show you how subscriptions work. If I tap the button down here, I can see my existing subscription, which runs until the 14th of September, and I can also buy an extension, so let's tap that button. And I have a list of what's available. I can buy a 7-day subscription or a 30-day sub. I'll go for the 7-day subscription for £1.19, so again just tap, and there are the details. I don't need to enter my credit card information because all of this is going to go through my iTunes account, so I'll tap the buy button and confirm that yes, I do want to go ahead with this. And now I'm prompted for my iTunes password, so I'll just type that in, hit OK. Now this is a renewal, so it's just making extra sure that I do want to renew. Yes, I do. And there we are. Purchase complete, and if I return to my subscription list, you can see that the sub now runs until 21st of September, just as you'd expect. So you can buy subscriptions in advance and they'll be tacked on to the end of any existing sub you've got. The application itself comes with a 7-day subscription when you buy it, and if you have any questions about that, please do send us some feedback. Just tap the About page and hit the Send Feedback link.